So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, if you're a WordPress blogger or WordPress user, then this video is really helpful for you. Because in this video, we are going to see how we can take a WordPress site backup easily by using a single plugin. To taking the backup for your site is really important. Let's see if you have done a lot of hard work to your WordPress site or your blog and suddenly in one day, your website crashed. So all the hard work you have done, it will be wasted in one day. So to taking the backup is really important. So without any wasting time, let's start the video. We will going to see how we can take a backup very easily by using a single plugin. So let's start the video. So now I'm going to install a plugin to my website kvhostingguide.com. For that, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. To install a plugin, you have to click on plugin, that is add new plugin. Now search for the plugin Updraft. 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 As you see, this is the plugin Updraft. This plugin is very popular and it has 5-star rating. And it has more than 2 million active installation. To install this plugin, just click on install. Click on activate. As you see, this plugin has been installed. Press here to start. So Updraft plugin has a multiple option such as backup, migrate, setting, advanced tool and premium. There is no need to purchase a premium plugin. We are going to use a free plugin because free plugin will fulfill all our requirements. Now click on setting. From here, you can schedule your backup. I want to take a backup weekly. You can also take your backup manually, but I want this process should be done automatically. That is why I choose weekly. Database backup schedule also weekly. There is a multiple platform to store your site backup such as Updraft, Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive. But I will choose Google Drive. It is the best. So scroll down, as you see, includes in file backup. Make sure plugin, themes and uploads. It must be tick. Just scroll down and click on save changes. After that, you have to link Updraft plugin to your Google Drive account. So click on this link. Now log in with your Gmail ID. So now click on allow. After that, click on complete setup. Now as you see, it started taking backup automatically. Now it will take your backup automatically every week. It will take time to complete this backup, depend upon your website size. As you see, this backup has been completed successfully. So now let's assume by mistake you have deleted some part of your blog or your blog website, or your website has been crashed. So there is no need to worry. You can come to the Updraft plugin, just open the Updraft plugin and click on restore button. And your website is good to go. Your website is ready as it was fresh. So friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then please hit the like button, subscribe and share. So see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and have a great day.